Exercise 7D, question number 27, first one. If x and y both are positive and 2x square minus 5y square is to xy is equal to 1 is to 3, find x is to y. So given x and y both are positive, so we have to take only the positive values. Okay. So given 2x square minus 5y square is to xy is equal to 1 is to 3. So we can write in fraction form 2x square minus 5y square divided by xy is equal to 1 by 3. So we can cross multiply this. So it will be 3 into 2x square minus 5y square is equal to 1 into xy is what? xy. Okay. So changing the bracket, 6x square minus 5 3s are 15y square is equal to xy. Okay. So take this to the left side, 6x square minus 15y square minus xy is equal to 0. We can rearrange this, that is square, first term and last term will be the square term. So 6x square minus xy, we can write in the middle, minus 15y square is equal to 0. This is in the form of what? What? Can we write 6x square minus xy minus 15y square is a quadratic equation. So dash into dash is equal to what will be? Dash into dash. First term and the last term. So dash into dash, we want to get it as what? Answer should be 6 into negative 15. So what will be 6 into negative 15? 5 6 are 30, balance 3, so 90. So dash into dash, we want to get it as negative 90, and middle term we want to get it as negative 1. So which are the two terms? Two numbers, not terms. Which are the two numbers we want to take? So negative 90 we want to get and negative 1. So think, can we write negative 10 and 9? What about here? Negative 10 plus 9. Is it okay, no? So negative 10 into 9 is negative 90 and negative 10 plus 9 is equal to negative 1. So this xy, we can splitting the middle term. We can split as what? 6x square minus xy means 1xy. That we can write it as 10xy plus xy minus 15y square is equal to 0. Taking common. Which one common here? 2x common. So remaining 3x minus 5. What? 5y, no? 3x minus 5y plus same thing we can take 3x minus 5y within brackets equal to 0 is there. So we want to get xy minus 15y square. So how can we write? Is it 9x here? 9xy, no? Here 9. So 9xy. So 3x. We want to get 9xy. Here 3x only we have. So 3y. Okay. So 3 into 3, 9, 9xy. Then 3 into 5, 15, 15y square. So next step it will be 3x minus 5y we can take common. Remaining will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay. Then it will be what? 3x minus 5y into 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 means either 3x minus 5y is equal to 0 or 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 5y here or 2x is equal to minus 3y. We want to find out x is to y. That means we want to find out x by y. How can we write x by y? X by y will be here 5y, no? So 5 by 3. Here x by y is equal to what? Negative 3 by 2. Since x and y are positive, we can't take this. Only we can take which one? 5 by 3. So next step what we want to write? Since given x and y are positive values, x and y are positive, x by y is equal to 5 by 3 we have. So x is to y is equal to 5 is to 3. Since given x and y are positive, therefore x is to y is equal to 5 is to 3. That is the first part of our question. So, okay, second part is find x if 16 into a minus x by a plus x the whole cube is equal to a plus x divided by a minus x. So, how can we do that? Write down. 16 into a minus x divided by a plus x the whole cube is equal to a plus x divided by a minus x. So, this cube is common for both a minus x and a plus x. So, we can split that. So, a minus x the whole cube divided by here also a plus x the whole cube, that is 3 is common for both, equal to a plus x divided by a minus x. 16 into. So, if you are keeping that 16 there itself, means how can we write 16 is equal to, how can we write, if 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to what? 10 divided by 2. Same way 16 is equal to, here 10 divided by 2. Same thing we are doing here. 16 we are keeping the left side itself, then right side a plus x divided by a minus x divided by what? A minus x the whole cube divided by a plus x the whole cube. 16 is equal to, next step it will be 16 is equal to. So division, we are taking the reciprocal. So how can we write a plus x divided by a minus x? This we can take the, if we are putting into, we can take the reciprocal. So how can we write? This will become a plus x the whole cube divided by a minus x the whole cube. Got it? So a plus x into a plus x the whole cube. It will be a plus x the whole raised to 4 divided by a minus x the whole raised to 4. Already we studied, no? For square, x square is equal to 4. How can we write? X is equal to root 4. So x will be what? In lower classes we studied only the positive values. Now we are saying that which one? Root of 4 will be positive or negative, both values, plus 2 or minus 2. So plus or minus 2 will be the value of what? Root 4. Why? Because we studied what? Negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4 and positive 2 into positive 2 is what? Positive 4. So in lower classes we didn't study about the integers, so we are not writing about which one? Negative 2. Already in lower classes we are discussing about root 4 is equal to what? 2 only we are writing. So nowadays we are discussing what? Root 4 will be plus or minus 2. Same case here also we want to write. Raised to 4. Raised to 2 means 4. Same case also here. Raised to 4 means we will have the positive and negative values. So here 16 we can replace it as what? 16 raised to 4. So 16. Something raised to 4 is equal to, we don't know one value. That raised to 4 is equal to 16. So what will be this value? So how can we find that? 16. Factorize. 2. 8 2s are 16. Then 2. 4 2s are 8. 2. 2. So 4 together means 2 raised to 4 is what? 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So replace the 16 as what? 2 raised to 4 in the next step. Okay. So 16 we can replace it as 2 raised to 4 is equal to a plus x the whole raised to 4 divided by a minus x the whole raised to 4. If you are doing square means we are taking what? Square root. Cube is there means we are taking cube root. Here 4 raised to 4 is there. So taking the fourth root. Taking the fourth root, it will be what? 2. Fourth root if you are taking means that fourth will cancel. Remaining 2 will be there. Then a plus x divided by a minus x. Since here we discussed what? 4 is equal to 2 square. Not only 2 square. Which square also? Negative 2 whole square is also 4. Same way 16. How can we write 16? 16 is equal to 2 raised to 4. And also 16 we can write it as negative 2 the whole raised to 4 is also 16. Since it is an even number. So 2 raised to 4. If you are taking the fourth root, we will get two values. Taking fourth root, we will get plus or minus 2. We will get. Taking fourth root on both sides. same as the square root, same as square, we will have plus or minus 2 if you are taking what, fourth root. I think it is clear. So plus or minus 2 will be the values. So we can take a plus x divided by a minus x will be 2, or a plus x divided by a minus x will be negative 2. Both values we have. Okay, here we are applying which one? Componendo, dividendo. Here, how can we apply componendo, dividendo? 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So, a plus x plus a minus x divided by a plus x minus of a minus x will be minus x minus a plus x is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, applying componendo, dividendo. So, x will cancel. So, 2a divided by, here a will cancel, 2x is equal to 3 divided by 1, 2 cancel. So, a by x is equal to 3 by 1. We want to find the value of which one? Find the value of x. So, how can we write x? That is 3x is equal to a, cross multiply, 3x is equal to a. So, x is equal to a by 3. X is equal to a by 3 if a plus x divided by a minus x is equal to 2. We have one more value, which one? Negative 2 also. That also we want to do. So, same thing we can do here, applying componendo, dividendo there also. So, how can we write? A plus x divided by a minus x. Here negative 2 we can write it as negative 2 by 1. Applying componendo, dividendo, it will be a plus x plus a minus x divided by a plus x minus a plus x is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Applying componendo, dividendo. So, here x cancel, 2a divided by a cancel. So, it will be 2x is equal to 3 divided by, sorry, negative 2, no, negative 2 plus 1 divided by negative 2 minus 1. So, negative 2 plus 1 is what? Negative 1 divided by negative 3. 2 cancel. So, a by x is equal to negative divided by negative is positive 1 by 3. We want to find the value of x. Cross multiply. So, x is equal to 3a. So, we have two values for x. That is, find the value of x we want to find out. We want to find the value of x. So, for x is equal to what? We got first value as a by 3. One more value 3a. Why we are getting this 3a? Since we took positive 2 and negative 2 here, then only we will get two values. If you take only positive 2 means we will get only which one? One value. So, here since it is raised to 4 means taking 4, negative 2 4 times means it will be positive, no, positive 16. Same way positive 2 4 times, then it will be positive 16. So, negative 2 4 times, that is negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 is what? 16, positive 16. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is also 16. So, we are taking negatives and positive for that value, 2. Same thing we are doing in square also. 4 we are getting as what? Negative 2 into negative 2 is 4 and positive 2 into positive 2 is 4. I think it is clear. Okay. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay. Thank you.